I know it's weird, but I fixed my mower this way. But let's check a couple things first. There's no spark. We're gonna take our top off. There's our gap right here. I mean, the gap's so big I can stick a screwdriver in there. So, why don't we reset that? I'm gonna put my index card in here, because the gap setting is between 6 and 14 thousandths. Okay, so we're gonna loosen up our bolts right here. So we're gonna loosen that up. Put that up against the flywheel. Just gotta turn the flywheel to get your card out. And once you do, it'll loosen it up a bit. Okay? Now, next we'll put our cover back on. Now if you have trouble setting it down, you just got to pull the string a little bit so it engages properly. Put our bolts back. All right, let's see if we have spark this time. Now let's see what happens. Well, that's exciting. Yay, we did it. Okay, so we went through the spark, the gap setting, and hope this was helpful. I hope it helped you fix your mower, and thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks.